Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a game changer for every car owner, the NOCO Jump Starter. Imagine never being stranded again, with a compact device that fits right into your glove compartment. This powerhouse not only jumpstarts your vehicle in seconds, but it can also charge your phones and gadgets on the go. In this video, I'll share my personal experience, highlight its awesome features, and show you how to get it at an unbeatable price through my link below. Don't miss out on this must-have tool for every road trip and everyday driving. Let's jump right in. Number 5. NOCO Boost Sport GB20, your ultimate companion for emergencies on the road. This robust 500A ultra-safe carb battery jump starter is designed to safely jumpstart dead batteries in seconds, delivering up to 20 jump starts on a single charge. Tailored for 12V gasoline engines up to 4.0 liters, its compact design makes it easy to store and carry. What sets the NOCO Boost apart is its ultra-safe technology, featuring spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, allowing you to jump start without the worry of incorrect connections. It's not just a jump starter, it also acts as a portable power bank, perfect for recharging your smartphones and tablets. Plus, with an integrated 100-lumen LED flashlight boasting 7 modes, including emergency strobe and SOS, you are prepared for any situation. With standout features like high-discharge lithium technology, rugged water-resistant design, and a lightweight build of just 2.4 pounds, the NOCO Boost Sport GB20 is the smartest investment for every driver. Be prepared, stay safe, and power up with NOCO. Number 4. NOCO Boost XGB-X45 is the ultimate portable lithium jump starter designed for extreme performance and versatility. With a jaw-dropping 1250 amps of jumpstarting power, it can effortlessly tackle powerful engines, starting vehicles with up to 6.5-liter gasoline and 4.0-liter diesel engines. Featuring cutting-edge USB-C technology, the Boost X charges up in just 48 minutes, or you can get a jumpstart in only 5 minutes of charging. This powerful jumpstarter doubles as a 60W power bank, allowing you to charge your phones, tablets, and laptops on the go. The UltraSafe 2.0 technology ensures a user-friendly experience, boasting spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection for maximum safety. It's not just a jump starter, it's a multifunctional device suitable for cars, motorcycles, trucks, ATVs, boats, RVs, and more. The Boost X comes with heavy-duty jumper cables, a microfiber storage bag, and is backed by a 1-year warranty. Don't be left stranded. Get the NOCO Boost XGB-X45 and enjoy peace of mind on every journey. Number 3. NOCO Boost Plus GB40. Say goodbye to dead batteries with the powerful and compact NOCO Boost Plus GB40 ultra-safe carb battery jump starter. This incredible device provides up to 20 jump starts on a single charge, making it perfect for both 6.0L gasoline and 3.0L diesel engines. Safety is paramount with its ultra-safe design, featuring spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection. No more worrying about incorrect connections. Besides being a robust jump starter, it also doubles as a portable power bank, allowing you to recharge your smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices. With a quick 3-hour recharge time at 2.1 amps, you'll always be ready to go. Plus, its rugged, water-resistant design ensures reliable performance in any weather. And let's not forget the 100-lumen LED flashlight with 7 modes, including emergency strobe and SOS. The NOCO Boost Plus GB40 is not just a jump starter, it's an essential tool for every driver, delivering convenience and reliability in a lightweight package. Get yours today and drive with confidence. Number 2. NOCO Boost HD GB70. Experience the ultimate in portable power with the NOCO Boost HD GB70, a 2000A ultra-safe carb battery jump starter that delivers reliability and convenience. Perfectly designed for both gasoline engines up to 8.0 liters and diesel engines up to 6.0 liters, this efficient jump starter can provide up to 40 jump starts on a single charge, Its ultra-safe technology ensures worry-free operation with spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection. But that's not all. This multifunctional powerhouse acts as a portable power bank for your devices and features an integrated 400-lumen LED flashlight with 7 modes, including SOS for emergencies. With a rugged, waterproof design and a lightweight structure of just 5 pounds, it's incredibly sturdy and easy to handle. Outfitted with everything you need, including heavy-duty booster clamps and a user guide, the NOCO Boost HD GB70 is the perfect companion for any road trip or emergency situation. Don't leave home without it. Number 1. NOCO Boost X GB-X155, the ultimate portable lithium jump starter that packs a powerful punch with its 4,250 amps. Designed for extreme jump-starting capability, this revolutionary device can handle up to 10.0-liter gas and 8.0-liter diesel engines with ease. What sets it apart? Its turbocharging USB-C technology allows for a full recharge in just 2.7 hours or a quick jumpstart in just 5 minutes of charging. This powerhouse isn't just for starting cars. It features USB-C power delivery, enabling you to charge your phones, tablets, and laptops with the 60-watt power bank. Enhanced with ultra-safe 2.0 technology, including spark-proof design and reverse polarity protection, the Boost X ensures maximum safety. Versatile and compact, it's capable of jump-starting cars, motorcycles, trucks, ATVs, RVs, and more. The package comes with everything you need: heavy-duty jumper cables, a storage bag, and a 1-year warranty. With the NOCO Boost X GB-X155, you'll never worry about a dead battery again. In conclusion, the NOCO Jump Starter is a game-changer for anyone in need of a reliable, portable power source for their vehicle. Its compact design, impressive power, and multiple features make it an essential tool for emergencies. With the NOCO Jump Starter, you'll drive with peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for any situation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts. Your support means a lot.